Hello, so welcome to this project, which is about an implementation of the Wavefunction collapse algorithm. And as you can see, the goal was to make some kind of buildings with an inside. And through this video, I will show you some of the steps I took to make this project, as well as some details. So let's get started. So Wavefunction collapse algorithm uses a set of tiles and a 3D grid, and basically at the end of the collapsing, every grid cell should have taken a value of one tile. And so basically you have an example of such a tile on the screen, and as you can see there are letters on it because each tile is oriented. There is north, west, south, east, as well as up and down poles. And basically each pole has also a connector set which allow or disallow some connection, and this has the effect of making an apparent structure at the end of the collapsing. So what you see now is the first of our tile set. So we made two of them. The first one, which defines a building with an inside. And so as you can see, we have all tiles that are in fact rotated, except the ones that are symmetric. So in fact we rotate each tile around their y-axis. So we have 4 possibilities, and you can see them now. And you can also observe our second tile set, which defines the building without an inside, and in fact has some kind of balcony that I think kind of look cool. Let's now switch to our first example, which is a building with an inside. So as you can see, we can generate new buildings with a button. You can also notice that the presence of holes in the facade, and this is likely happening due to some contradiction in the algorithm. So in fact this can happen when propagating the change of some collapsed or modifying cell. We remove the possible tiles for a cell in some order that could iteratively lead to some inconsistent state. A solution could be to backtrace each contradiction. So this means like when we get a contradiction, we go back to the last time we make a choice, make another choice, and recursively do this until we get a consistent state. But since it's too costly, I think maybe I will have more tiles in the tile set, as from what I read on the internet this could be some solution to this. And also maybe there is a problem with the connectors, but I'm not sure about this. And now we can have a small walk inside of the building. So as you can see, I'm in the inside of the building, so I can look through the window. And there are the stairs you can take. So obviously there is no colliding with the building, so I'm just freely moving around. But as you can see here, there is a contradiction which I thought about. There is a hole, and I think that's it. We can swap to the next example. This example is made out of our second tile set with the balconies. There are some contradictions that are happening as in the first one, but in overall I like its look, even if I think it's missing some diversity in the tile visuals. And this concludes our small update on my project. Thanks for watching.